Hello, welcome to Good Lighting. In this video today, I'm going to show you our brand new Pro 2 cordless wall light matched with Power 2 18-volt batteries. Together with a Korean designer, we developed this pattern, compact size, and portable LED wall lights. It's a 20-watt LED, and we have two battery bays. One is access to 18-volt Bosch Power 2 batteries, and you can buy the battery from us or you can use original Bosch batteries. And this one is the Makita base, and you can use any Power 2 batteries from Makita. And you may ask, what if I want to access to more other brands? So from the Makita base, we have developed some extra adapters. Like this one, you can put on the Makita base and you can access to Milwaukee. This one you can access to DeWalt. And also this one you can access to Bosch from a Makita base. So with one lamp you can access to 4 different brands of Power 2 batteries. And also we have an upgrade solution. This adapter you can access to our lamp, and also you can use on your Makita Power 2 also. This one is adapter, you can use Stanley batteries, and this one you can use Milwaukee and DeWalt batteries. Let's look at some other features on the Pro 2. Here we have a detachable diffuser. Without the diffuser, you can have a more spot focused light beam with high brightness. When you add on the Milwaukee diffuser, you can have a more spread light beam, and also you can enjoy a more softer and comfortable light. The next is the rotatable head. 270-degree rotatable head, and with the positioning knob, it will give you any specific direction of light. There is 4 different light modes on this lamp: high, middle, low, and also strobe. On the highest light mode, it gives 1800 lumen, and when you run on the low light mode, you will have a much longer working time. Let's look at some details on the base. In the middle of the base, there's a small hole. It will allow you to install the lamp on a tripod, and the hole on the top, which is for wall mounted. From the base, we also have very strong magnet, which allow you to attach the lamp to any metal surface. This will get your hands free when you're at work. Also, with the magnet base, you can collect your small screws and nuts on it. You can see it will not drop. On the base, there's a folded hook. With the hook, you can carry the lamp around very easily. And it's an open hook which allows you to hang it anywhere. So this versatile 20-watt LED wall light gives a 1800 lumen and matched with 4 brand Power 2 batteries: Makita, Bosch, Milwaukee, and DeWalt. And more brands solution will be upon on request. So this is a must-have wall light in your toolkit. Thank you.